Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Vaccination is key in preventing kennel cough. Regular vet checkups and ensuring your dog's environment is clean also help. Avoid exposure to other dogs showing symptoms, and provide a well-ventilated space. Disinfect water bowls and toys regularly, and consider using air purifiers to maintain clean air. Ultimately, strong hygiene practices and preventive care are crucial.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.